So in the previous video, we saw how we can install Java on our machine and how we can create environment for running our Java programs. This video is going to be exciting for you because in this video, we are going to write and run our first Java program. So hello Ravens, this is Gritesh, you're watching Spunky Quark. Let's roll in with the intro. So for writing the Java program, we need to have some editor with us, some text editor, right? Generally, we write our Java programs in IDEs. IDEs are special softwares which stands for Integrated Development Environment. But as we are beginners, we'll be using some text editor. In this case, we are going to download and install Notepad++ and we will be starting writing our Java programs on Notepad++ itself. First of all, let's open our favorite browser. In the search box, write Notepad++. Press enter. You'll get the search result of Notepad++. Click on the first link, download Notepad++. Here, we'll be downloading the latest version of Notepad++, that is 7.9.3 release. Now, as mine is a 64-bit system, I'll be downloading installer for 64-bit system. If you have 32-bit system, you can download the 32-bit installer. So go and click on the installer. After the installer gets downloaded, click on the installer. Give the installation permission. Click OK. Next. I agree. If you want to change the location of the installation, just go browse and change the location. If not, just cancel it. Click next again. Next. Install. We are done. Click finish. So this is what Notepad++ looks like. So before writing any program, I'll first go and create a folder when I will arrange all my programs that I'll be writing in future of this series. So I'll create a folder in the C drive. You can create it wherever you wish. I'll be giving it the name Java Basics Series Programs. Pretty long name, right? But it will be recognizable later. I'll open this folder. This folder is empty now. So head back to Notepad++. I request you all to write the code after watching the video and run it yourself on your machine so that you can get the hands-on experience of writing code from the day one itself. Let's increase the font size. So that's the maximum. Now let's start writing the program. So this is a very basic code of Java which is used to print hello ravens on our screen, that is the console. So let's go and first save this program. Press Ctrl S. We will move to the folder where we want to store our Java programs. So here I'll be naming this Java file as hello.java. Note that we have to save the files as .java extension because it's a Java program. Click Save. So after we save, you'll see that some words are highlighted. These are the predefined keywords in Java. We'll be talking about keywords later. Let's first go compile and run the program. So let's first see the folder. Here we have got our program hello.java. To compile and run the program, go to the folder where your Java file is saved. Click on the location bar here. Type CMD. Enter. This will open the CMD with the location where your Java program is saved. So in my case, it's in C, Java Basic Series Programs, right? Remember the command for compiling Java code? It's Java C space name of the file. So here it's hello.java, right? Where Java C is the compiler, the Java compiler, right? So let's press enter. So the Java file is compiled successfully and you can see that here we got hello ravens.class, which is a bytecode because our class is named as hello ravens. So here you can see that our class is named as hello raven So we got a bytecode named hello-ravens.class. Now let's run the bytecode to see the output of the program. I think you remember the command for running the bytecode. It's java space and name of the bytecode file. In this case, which is hello ravens. And remember, I told you that .class extension is not required when we are interpreting the code that is running the bytecode, right? So let's press enter. And here you can see that hello ravens with 3 exclamatory signs is printed on the console, which means our first Java program is up and running. So that's it for today, Ravens. I think it was fun watching to create your first Java program and running it. In the future videos, I'll be explaining what this code is all about and how it's printing hello ravens with 3 exclamatory signs and what all these keywords really mean. I would suggest you guys to go and write this program on your own and run it on your machine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and if you face any problem writing this program, drop me a message in the comment section. I'll be helping you out with this program. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, because a lot of interesting programming videos are going to come on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and keep coding. This is Gritesh rolling out for the next video. Till then, learn, code and reload.